MISTY मतलब कुहासा. The road was misty in the morning. Murky MURKY मतलब गंदला. The water looks murky. Spirited SPIRITED मतलब उत्साही. The team gave a spirited performance. Magnanimous MAGNANIMOUS मतलब उदार. He is magnanimous in victory. Magnanimity MAGNANIMITY मतलब उदारता. His magnanimity was praised. Abyss ABYSS मतलब गहरी खाई. They looked into the abyss. Prudent PRUDENT मतलब समझदार. A prudent approach helps. Climax CLIMAX मतलब चरम. The story reached its climax. Snap SNAP मतलब झपटना. The dog may snap suddenly. Subjugate SUBJUGATE मतलब अधीन करना. The king tried to subjugate rebels. Flaunt FLAUNT मतलब प्रदर्शन करना. She likes to flaunt her wealth. Reverie REVERIE मतलब कल्पनालोक. He was lost in reverie. Audacious AUDACIOUS मतलब साहसी. It was an audacious plan. Querulous QUERULOUS मतलब शिकायतपूर्ण. He became querulous with age. Poignant POIGNANT मतलब भावुक. The scene was poignant. Accrue ACCRUE मतलब संचित करना. Interest will accrue monthly. Genial GENIAL मतलब मित्रवत. He is a genial host. Inclement INCLEMENT मतलब प्रतिकूल. The weather turned inclement. Vindictive VINDICTIVE मतलब प्रतिशोधी. He has a vindictive nature. Vindicate VINDICATE मतलब दोषमुक्त करना. Evidence helped vindicate him.
West Asia Crisis Must Not Be Allowed to Undermine IMEC. Written by Suhasini Hadar. The ongoing West Asia crisis has created a misty, kuhasa-yukt, and murky Gandala geopolitical environment with inclement, pratikul, regional conditions, delaying the progress of the India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor, or IMEC. Greek Foreign Minister George Gerapetraitis stated that these challenges must not push the project into an economic abyss, Gehri Khai. Greece remains spirited, utsahi, and prudent, samajdar, in its approach, showing a magnanimous, udar, diplomatic attitude, and consistent magnanimity, udarta, in strengthening cooperation with India, even during uncertain times. Despite the delays, Greece is working to double trade and investment, which will accrue, sanchit hona, long-term benefits, through genial mitravat, bilateral relations. Plans to open new consulates, begin direct flights, and issue more visas reflect this strong commitment. At this crucial climax, charam sthiti, countries must not snap, achanak pratikriya karna, into pessimism, or allow regional conflicts to subjugate adheen karna, broader goals of peace and prosperity. Instead, patience, stability, and cooperation remain the guiding principles. Recent ceasefires in Gaza and Lebanon, along with developments in Syria, represent a poignant, bhavuk or prabhavshali turning point, offering cautious hope for peace. Greece aims to vindicate dosh mukt karna, diplomacy, by resolving disputes peacefully, rather than adopting vindictive, pratishodhi policies. Its audacious, sahasi, economic vision positions Greece as the gateway to Europe for Indian trade, while ports and infrastructure plans are expected to flaunt pradarshan karna, the strategic strength of the IMEC route. Although the delays have created challenges, policymakers are careful not to become querulous, shikayat-purna, choosing instead a balanced and thoughtful approach, guided by diplomatic reverie, kalpanalok by durdrishti, and long-term planning. Alongside trade expansion, both countries are negotiating legal and orderly migration pathways to replace irregular routes and ensure structured human mobility. Overall, Greece and India remain firmly committed to advancing the IMEC project as a symbol of peace, stability, and shared prosperity, ensuring that geopolitical tensions do not derail this historic initiative.
एक बार देखो, बार बार सुनो। याद रखने का सीधा मंत्र, रिवीजन है सबसे बड़ा तंत्र। डेली अपडेट्स के लिए अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और लर्निंगपुर परिवार से जुड़ें। सीखना अब आसान और मज़ेदार।